Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the third largest city of the Netherlands. And also the administrative center of the country, which is Den Haag. This is the way us Dutchies say Den Haag. Den Haag. There is a very light emphasis on the second part. Den Haag. Den Haag. All the letters will be pronounced, and yes, there is that famous Dutch g at the end. Just keep trying. The Dutch really appreciate hearing that g. Just imagine something is stuck in your throat. G. Den Haag. I am going to visit Den Haag. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check it out. Tot ziens!